So as we're back at the old condo, well, the condo belonging to our pet sister, we're going to go out to have dinner at a place we used to love and used to go on a very regular basis. So join us and experience some of the most amazing Thai food available right here in Bangkok. Now clearly this is not high-so dining, this is what we call typical street dining. And you know what? I absolutely love it. You get to enjoy some amazing food and you get to see the world go by. What's not to like? So first dish to arrive is the classic corn salad. So it's like obviously sweet corn, tomatoes, dry shrimp, chilies, peanuts. And it doesn't look like a whole lot, but my god, this thing is absolutely delicious. And I should mention as well, there's a whole sort of stigma attached to restaurants on the street with metal tables and plastic chairs. But this is life in Thailand, and if you don't embrace it, you're absolutely missing out. So next to arrive is the Nam Tok Muyang, which is my personal #1 dish in Thailand. So basically, it's a grilled pork cheek in a spicy sauce made with, I believe, fish sauce.
Fish sauce, chili sauce.
Chilies, cilantro, lime juice, red onion. And this thing is absolutely wonderful. Now, this one right here was my #1 in Thailand. However, I have to confess, where we live, there's a guy that makes it across from our community, which is just out of this world. But this is my second best one in Thailand, but this is an amazing dish. Next to arrive is just straightforward grilled pork cheek, which is the same grilled pork cheek as in this dish, this time without the sauce. And I never had this in the West, but pork cheek is the most tender of the pig meat, and I absolutely love this one. And Dao Pet, what is this one?
หมูมะนาว
Moo Manao.
Pork, steamed pork and salad. Chili.
So it's like a pork salad.
Yeah.
So this one is a pork salad, very similar to this, but slightly different flavors and seasonings. But all in all, this is a good start to the meal. So now I'm going in with the Nam Tok Muyang. The seasoning, the spices are absolutely off the charts. Now we have a similar dish to this one, except this one is wet and this one is dry. The flavors are the same. The experience is the same, but depending if you like something sloppy or something dry, make your own decision. Oh, they really enjoy. And here we go with the corn salad. Is it going in? It's going in. Yep. Aroy mai?
อร่อยครับ
Okay. And obviously there's a lot of traffic sound going on, and I apologize for the poor audio. But as I said in the beginning, this is life in Thailand. So now they have a beef dish, and I can already see some intestines and whatnot. So I will probably give this one a miss. And I'm currently suffering from the hiccups because something I ate was extremely spicy, and I thought I had kind of mastered the art of eating spicy food. That's never going to happen. Some food in Thailand is just so extremely spicy. Excuse me. So this is a mama noodle salad, which is obviously pork based, and packets of mama noodle sauteed with vegetables, chilies and whatnot. And this just appeared that we did not order. Turns out it was meant for another table, but once it arrived, we decided, you know what, we'll keep this. And I'm just wondering if they thought, oh, there's a farang here, maybe he needs some French fries, who knows, but we all like French fries, so they won't go to waste. So night has fallen, and we're still at it. Another dish has arrived. I think that is a papaya salad. I don't know, but the place is now pretty much filled up. So as you can see, as I said earlier, this is eating in the evening in Thailand. I really like it. So this is our final meal, and it was a rather long evening, but we had an amazing time. The food was delicious. It was good to be back in the old spots. Pet, อร่อยไหม?
อร่อยมากเลยวันนี้
So I hope you enjoyed this look at a really true Thai local restaurant. And if you did, please be kind. Leave a quick like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all next time.
เจอกันค่ะ